How to fix LinkedIn verification problem full guide. In this video, I am going to teach you exactly how to fix the most common LinkedIn verification problems. Whether it's your identity verification badge, a workplace email issue, or a verification code that never arrives. LinkedIn verification builds trust on your profile, but the process can fail for a handful of predictable reasons. Let's walk through the fixes for each type. Step 1. If your identity verification with a government ID keeps failing, start by checking your name match. Your first and last name on your LinkedIn profile need to exactly match the name on your government ID. Even a small discrepancy here is one of the most common causes of failure. Step 2. Check your document file itself. LinkedIn only accepts JPEG, PNG, or PDF files for verification documents, and files outside of LinkedIn's size limits may fail to upload. So compress large files without sacrificing clarity before resubmitting. Step 3. Retake your photo if lighting is an issue. Take your ID photo in good lighting and avoid glare or shadows that make the document hard to read clearly, since an unclear or unreadable document is a common rejection reason. Step 4. Confirm your internet connection is stable during the upload, since interrupted connections can cause the document to fail partway through without a clear error message telling you why. Step 5. If you're specifically trying to verify your workplace using a work email and it's not working, know that this depends on your employer's setup. Your work email is only verified successfully if the domain matches one your company's page admins have specifically approved, so if your domain isn't recognized, the verification will fail even with a completely valid email address, and this isn't something LinkedIn support can override on their end. Step 6. If you switch jobs, understand how this affects your existing verification. Your previous workplace verification stays visible on your profile, and you can only add a new one if your current employer has this feature enabled for their organization. Step 7. If you're not receiving a verification code by SMS or email at all, first double-check your phone number and email are entered correctly, then check your spam folder for the email version. Wait a few minutes before requesting a new code, since requesting too many codes back-to-back can actually trigger LinkedIn's own risk control system and block further attempts temporarily. Here's a pro tip. If you keep getting flagged during code verification, avoid using a VPN or switching networks or regions repeatedly right before requesting your code. Frequent IP or location changes are one of the biggest reasons LinkedIn's automated risk system flags an otherwise legitimate login as suspicious and withholds the code. So that's exactly how to work through and fix the most common LinkedIn verification problems. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more LinkedIn and account troubleshooting guides, and let me know in the comments. Was it the ID upload or the verification code that gave you trouble?